Hidden fact: a single sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, scattering droplets that carry memories of the room. In a fogbound town, every sneeze sharpens shadows and reveals a truth the sneezed word never spoke. The villagers learn to listen for tremors after rumors, because those echoes show the past like a ghostly subtitle. A wary investigator tracks frost trails and sneezes, tracing prophecies etched on doors and windows. When the final confession appears in the mirror, who is coughing for whom, and who truly writes the sneeze?